Hey there, have you ever heard the word freelancing and wondered what it means? Today we are going to explore this exciting world and see how it might be something you can think about for the future. You ready? Let's dive in!
What is freelancing?
Imagine you have a special skill or talent, like drawing, writing stories, or even coding. Freelancing is when you use that skill to work on projects for different people or companies instead of having just one job. It's like being your own boss. You can choose what projects to work on and who to work for. Cool, right?
Why do people freelance?
There are a lot of reasons why people choose freelancing. I will tell you 3 of them. 1. Freedom. Freelancers can decide when and where they want to work. Some might work from home, at a café, or even while traveling. 2. Variety. They get to work on many different projects, so things never get boring. 3. Control. Freelancers can choose which projects to accept and which ones to pass on.
What skills can you freelance?
You might be wondering what kind of skills people use to freelance. Here are some popular ones. 1. Writing, like writing stories or articles. 2. Drawing, creating artwork or illustrations. 3. Coding, building websites or apps. 4. Music, composing or editing music. 5. Photography, taking and editing photos.
How do freelancers find work?
Freelancers find work in a few different ways. 1. Online platforms, websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are places where freelancers can find jobs posted by people who need their skills. 2. Networking, talking to people they know or meeting new people who might need their help. 3. Social media, sharing their work on platforms like Instagram or Twitter to attract clients.